Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram posts with multiple photos. So it's very simple. You just have to click on the middle, that is plus sign, and here you can select the pictures. So if you are going to choose multiple photos, you just have to click on this sign here and just click on the photos and click on next. So here you can edit the pictures, and after that you can see the music sign here in the up, and here you can see the music varieties. You can choose any one of it. Select one, and here is the duration time of the music. So you just have to choose and just click on done. So in this way you can just choose your music to Instagram post, and you just have to click on next to the ultimate stage. So thanks for watching the video, and please comment down below for more contents, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.